guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. Today I have experience 10 year in office. Today I teach you. I have new ideas. Cell lock, protect it. You know that guys? How to protect it in Excel? Let's play. Just click first this option and click. You can see guys, any type. You can see type working start, but I am thinking nobody people this type my Excel sheet. You can see guys, first just click review menu click and protect sheet option click, select cell, just click and OK. You can see guys, no any word type this, no any word type this Excel sheet. You can see guys, no any word type this Excel sheet. Why? Because my Excel sheet is locked. I want my Excel sheet unlock. Just click. You can see guys, Excel sheet unlock. You can see guys, you can typing is working, but I am thinking nobody people my Excel sheet type. Just click protect sheet and password 111 and OK. Re-enter password said Excel. Just click 111 and OK. You can see guys, password is lock, password is ready. I type any cell, not working type. You can see guys, not working type. You can see guys, not use because not working type, because password lock. You can see guys, just unlock, just click unprotect it, then type password 111, then OK. You can see guys, just click working type. You can see guys, just click working type. You can see guys, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. You can see guys, type is working. You can see guys, any cell. You can see guys, type is working, but any people don't my Excel sheet type. Just click lock password, type 111 and OK. Just click lock password type, re-enter password type 111. Let's OK and OK. Then type, not type, because protect sheet. I lock protect sheet, not type. You know that guys? You know that guys? My lock Excel sheet because I use formula protect sheet. Then unprotect sheet click and password type 111. Then OK. Unprotect sheet. Now type. Typing is working. You can see guys, but I want not type any people's my Excel sheet. You can see guys, just click and type password 111 and OK. Re-enter type password 111 and OK. You can see guys, not work typing because lock my sheet. You can see guys,